following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, including the following areas: northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, southern Fairfield and southern New Haven, northeast New Jersey, including the following areas: eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic and western Union, and southeast New York, including the following areas: Bronx, Kings, Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Orange, Putnam, Richmond, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Nassau, southern Queens and southern Westchester. When? From Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: a slow-moving low-pressure system will bring multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms across the area from late Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Rainfall amounts are forecast to range from 2 to 5 inches, with localized higher amounts. The highest amounts at this time are forecast to be across the lower Hudson Valley, interior southwest Connecticut, and northeast New Jersey. There is a high likelihood of seeing an inch plus an hour for several hours. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service in Mount